Hello and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. Today in this video you will learn how to add a temporary login to your WordPress dashboard. For example, you want someone to access your WordPress dashboard without sharing your actual username and password. You can do it easily by watching this video. And you can also set the time for that link. For example, you want someone to access your dashboard for 1 hour, 3 hours, 1 day, 1 week and so on. So let's see how we can add the temporary login. And for that we will use this website that we created in our last video. So this is a website like YouTube. If you want to have a website like this, then you can watch my previous video. And to add a temporary login, we will go back to the dashboard, and here we will add a new plugin. So let's go to plugin and add new, and here we will search for temporary login. And you will get this plugin, temporary login without password, and this is by Store Apps. So just install and activate this plugin. And once you activate that plugin, this will take you to its dashboard. And you can also go to user and temporary login. And here you can create a temporary login. And to create a temporary login, you just need to click on this create new. And here you will have to write an email. So here you can write your own email or the person email. So let's write a dummy email. And here you can write the first name and last name, but these are optional. You can leave these empty. For example, I will write these. And the important one is the role. So here you can set the admin role, editor, author, contributor and subscriber. And this is dependent on you, that how you want the person to access your dashboard. Now in most cases, and most common one is the admin, because it will have the right to access everything on our dashboard. So let's choose admin and redirect after login. So this will take them to the dashboard. You can also set another page if you want. And this is the expiry date. So if you want to give access for 1 hour from now, then you can select this one. And all of these options are dependent on you. And you can also set the time after access. So once you share a link to them and they access that, then the timer will start. And you can also pick a custom date. So for example, I want someone to access this dashboard right now and for 1 hour. So I'll just select this one. I can choose a language and then just simply click on submit. And you will get a link. Now this link will give access to our dashboard without any username or password. So to copy the link, you can click this, or you can click here, copy link. Now let's try this out. So I will open this website in a cognitive window where I am not logged in. As you can see, this is the website, and I'll just put that link. And as you can see, without any username and password, I am in the dashboard and I can see a temporary access here. Now after spending some time, let's go back. And here, as you can see, last login was 1 minute ago and we have one count. So one person has been logged in with that link. And this is the expiry. So after 58 minutes, this link will be expired. Now if you want to remove this user and you want to limit this access, so you just simply delete this. So let's check that out. I can't log in now. I will need a username and password. So this is how you can add a temporary login to your WordPress dashboard. Hope the video will help you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.